Hi students, welcome to our maths class. In algebra, we have seen some concepts in the previous class, okay, like variables, constants, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, polynomial, such type of words we have seen. Today, let us see the power or index or exponent. These terms let us see. Okay. For example, in a power n, in a to the power n, how do we read this? A to the power n. We read it as a to the power n. In a to the power n, this a is called base. N is called either power or index or exponent. A to the power n. Okay. So for example, write each of the following in product form. First one is 3p power 4. How do we read that? 3p to the power 4. Second one, 7b square cube. 7b square cube. Third one, a cube m to the power 4 n to the power 2. N to the power 2 can be read as n square. Okay. So for example, you see this one, first one, 3p to the power 4. That means 3 into p to the power 4 means p should be multiplied 4 times. Did you understand? P to the power 4 means what should you do? P should be multiplied by 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is p power 4. Second one, 7b square cube. Okay, 7 is as it is into b square. B square means b should be multiplied by 2 times. B into b. Cube means q into q. 3 times you have to multiply. 7b square cube. Cube means q should be multiplied by 3 times. Okay. A cube m to the power 4 n square. This a cube means a into a. M to the power 4 means m into m. How many times? 4 times. N square means n into n. That is the way we will write in product form. Clear? Similarly, if they are given in the product form, write each of the following products. Each of the following products in index form. In the before problem, they gave in index form, we wrote them in expanded form. Now they are giving in expanded form like m into m into n into n into n. How do we write this? Similarly, 3 into b into b into b into b into p into p. So how do we write this? In index form. Index form means this form. Okay? So how do we write? See, m how many times repeating? 2 times. So we can write it in m square into n cube. 1, 2, 3. n cube. n is multiplied by 3 times. So what should you write? n cube. So 3 as it is. b into b into b into b. How many times? 4 times. p into p. 2 times. So 3b power 4 p square. Understand? So this is the, when index form is given, we can write it in expanded form. When expanded form is given, we can write in index form. Is that clear? Learn perfectly. Basic concepts are very, very important. Okay. Now let us see degree. Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. So when we are given a polynomial, for example, 3 plus 5x minus 7x square. How do we write that? 3 plus 5x minus 7x square is a polynomial. Is a polynomial in variable x. In variable x. In the variable x, you take it as this x power is nothing is there, that we consider it as 1. Variable powers, in the variable powers, what is the highest here? 2. So that is called degree of the polynomial. Degree is 2 here. That is nothing but quadratic polynomial. How do we read this? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Second degree polynomial is read as quadratic polynomial. Similarly, 9y cube minus 5y square plus 8. When I read, you must listen carefully. 9y cube, 9y to the power 3, 9y cube minus 5y square plus 8 is a polynomial. Is a polynomial in variable. What is the variable here? What is variable here? Y. So y. So what is the degree? We can say here. What is the highest variable here? Degree. Power is what? 3. Here y power 3. It is y power 2. Here y power 0. So degree of constant term, we will say it as 0. Degree of constant term is 0. Very, very important. This point is very, very important. Degree of constant term is 0. So here highest degree is what? 3. So that is taken as degree here. So I will write the definition here. The degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial. Simple here. Find out the variable. Highest variable degree. Degree means highest variable degree is called the degree of the polynomial. In one variable, degree of a polynomial in one variable is the greatest of the or highest is the greatest of the exponents of its exponents also called as powers of its various terms of its various terms. For example, 4x square minus 3x to the power 5 plus 8x to the power 6. What is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial? What is the highest degree here? Here 2 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Highest degree how much? 6. It is very easy, right? So 25 minus x power 4. What is the degree? 25 minus x to the power 4. What is the highest here variable x? Highest power is 4. That would be taken as degree. Okay. Next you can take 5x minus 3. What is the degree for this? X to the power how much we have? If there is nothing, 1. So degree is 1. Okay. Similarly 4x cube minus 15x to the power 5 minus 7x to the power 8. What is the degree for this? What is the degree for this? 4x cube minus 15x to the power 5 minus 7x to the power 8. What is the highest degree among 3, 5, 8? So 8. We will take it as degree. So degree of the polynomial is taken as highest variable power. Okay? That is very, very important. Okay? Next, one problem we will see. Separate the constants and variables from each of the following. From each of the following. See, 6 comma 4y comma minus 3x 5 by 4 4 by 5 xy az 7p 0 9x by y 3 by 4x minus xz by 3y. So in this, what are the variables and what are the constants you must say. Okay? So I will just keep side heading and write here. So first I will write constants. What are the constants here? 6. Constants means what did I tell you? Counting numbers like numerals. 6, 5 by 4, 0, that's all. Variables, rest all are variables only, no? So what are the variables here? 4y minus 3x 5 by 4 4 by 5 xy az 7p 9x by y 3 by 4x minus xz by 3y. These all are variables only. Okay. Next question. Group the like terms together. Group the like terms together. Okay. See the question. Like terms and unlike terms, already I told you the concept. 4x minus 3y minus x, 2 by 3x, 4 by 5y, y. Okay. Second, 2 by 3xy minus 4yx, 2yz minus 2 by 3yz, zy, yz or zy both are same. Zy by 3 yx. Minus ab square b square a square 7b square a minus 3a square b square and 2ab square. So I just say here what are the like terms and the other are group the like terms together, they said. So like terms enough. Like terms I will group together. 4x. For 4x, what is the like term? X terms you see here. Minus x is there. Here 2 by 3 x is there. Like terms means I told you variables must be same. X, x, x. Constants can be any constant, but no problem. Variable should be same. So minus 3y, 4 by 5y, y. Those are like terms. X, 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 y, y, y. So that way you can arrange. They are called like terms. Okay. So here also, what are the like terms you see? 2 by 3 xy minus 4 yx, yx. Yx or xy same. Don't worry. Xy or yx same. Okay. Similarly, 2yz, 2 by 3 yz and zy by 3. They are like terms. Yz or zy both are same. Y into z or z into y. So here what are the like terms? So minus ab square, here also ab square is there, b square a or ab square both are same, 2ab square. These are the like terms. Next one, b square a square minus 3a square b square. So they are the like terms there. A square b square or b square a square same terms. Okay. Learn these concepts perfectly. We will see some more concepts in the next class. Thank you.